What's up, guys? Welcome to another day in the life of a mobile mechanic vlog. We're actually starting at night, the night before a snowstorm hits. We got a lot to do and a little bit of time to do it in, so let's get straight to it. First up, we're about to head to this 370Z right up the street, change out the clock spring on it. Customer already got the part and everything like that, so that's great. Then once I come back, I gotta send some parts. Well, I gotta send the links to some parts over to another client for a Jeep Liberty that basically, she ran the thing with no oil in it and now the engine seized, so a lot to that. And then lastly, we have to make a stop at AutoZone after we finish the 370Z to get some coolant for the new radiator that we're putting in the 1 Series, which is currently out here. Yep, she's currently right there. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and hop in the car. Let me grab my keys. But yeah, we're about to go ahead and hop in the car, get the fuck out of here, and, you know, have a great fucking day. Without further ado, let's go ahead, get to this client, and I'll probably see y'all in the next, second for y'all, 5 minutes from me. Alright, so, in the car right now, in the BMW right now, we're about to head off to, go do this real quick. It actually shouldn't take that long at all. I'm betting like it is. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm putting this shit probably around like a hour, maybe less for the job. And we only charged them $225. Which isn't bad at all. So let's go ahead and get there. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm at the 370Z right now. We just got done putting the new clock spring in. As you can see, the car's in there. Right now I'm about to go ahead and program it and everything like that. The customer's actually a really nice guy too. So I'm getting the diagnostic tablet out real quick so we can see if I would be able to program it for him. He wasn't expecting me to program it in the first place, but he just wants to see if I can do it instead of him having to get it towed to the dealership. So without further ado, we're about to go give it a try. But it's a pretty clean 370, as you see. Nice. So without further ado, we're about to go ahead and try to program it for him, and if the programming works, we'll be all good here. So I'll be right back in like 2 minutes for me. Yeah. Also, we are still doing my BMW's, the other BMW's radiator tonight. So we'll get that done later on. Alright guys, so right now I'm just going through, reading everything, making sure everything's coming back okay. And we're about to see engine speed signal error. So that's a past one that we can go into race for them. Pretty much just put the race code. Yes. Code has been successfully erased, return. Alright, no codes. Let's go back. We got one more, which was his HVAC with another code that I need to check really quickly. Might be a little hard, I forgot to see. There we go. Anyway, let's check the HVAC codes, recodes. And we got new parts coming in for the 128i soon. The long tube headers, a whole bunch of stuff is coming up. So we have the long tubes, the drag pack, the 1M bumper, and the diffuser supposed to be coming in sometime this week. Also, I have a plethora of backlog videos that y'all are about to get, so that's it. But I'm gonna be right back once this finished doing everything it needs to do. And oh wait, hold up. Some load sensor, current. All right, so that's nothing really. Let's see some memory. Alright, that is going in. That's not really a bad code to have on. Anyways, yeah, pretty slow day today. I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't start working on cars today till like 2 o'clock, which is not normal for me. And then I still gotta tell the lady about her seized engine because yeah. But she's giving me more details about it. Now it's basically after she had bought the vehicle, she drove it for like, I guess, the whole day without any oil in it, and that's what seems to be the case of what caused it to seize. And yeah, so I'll be giving y'all the details on that in like an hour or two. Peace out. Alright guys, so I'm currently at the house right now. We're working on the BMW now. We're about to go get this radiator out, get the new one in. We got a CFS radiator in the house going in this joint. We already took off the fan intake hose. We got to take off the other side right here. Get the breather box off too. And then I also got to go over there and let it focus. I gotta do the dark verse, gotta do a fucking tire rotation on that motherfucker too. So without further ado, we're about to get all this out the way real quick. You know, do the usual. First things first, you gotta get, I forgot what size torque fist it is. We're about to get this out the way real quick. And yeah, I'll be right back once we get this out and I'll record the rest. So, I done did a lot off camera, but we basically got the radiator out right now. Well, almost out, all I gotta do is pull it. So without further ado, let's get her out of here. Maneuver hose off. Here we go. Got the old one out. Alright, I'm about to go get the new one from out the house so we can get drop her in there. Whew. That shit took a fucking long ass time to do. Damn, I should do my AC condenser. I should have ordered that and did that too. But didn't feel like it. Anyways, let's go. I'm about to go in the house, grab the radiator, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the new radiator ready to go in. Right here. Just put all the new plumbing on it and all the old plumbing on it. Anyways, let me angle you guys down a little bit so you can see. So the way I like to do is I like to install the radiator, bolt it in the two top bolts first. And all you're sort of doing is just letting it drop down. And with this being one of the first years of the 1 Series, it's just, you got the oil cooler, not the oil cooler, the transmission oil cooler that you got to watch out for too when installing, so you want to be a little bit extra careful. Let me go on this side, get this side all good. Like right here, I gotta move it over just a tiny bit. But yeah, it's a pretty simple job to do. For some reason, I am doing this the night before a snowstorm because I got bored. So it is a little cold outside. Make sure this side's flush. And there goes my light. One thing I can say, Milwaukee makes good tools, right? But their Rover light, it's like some shit. I can't stick up for that. That light is some real shit. It is bright, don't get me wrong. It is bright. Don't get me wrong, it is bright. But it is, if I could I would make it have a way better base, so it could not roll around as much. But now, if you take a look down here, we got the radiator, and now I got to put the bolts at the top that go in these holes right here on each side, and we'll have her bolted in. So I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so it's currently 2 in the morning, guys. I did finish the BMW, but I got tired and took a fucking nap. So I wasn't recording that shit, and I got a little frustrated because one of the clips wasn't going in on the new radiator, was a little bit unaligned, just a little, like less than 1/8 of an inch off. Anyways, open the door. It's a little cold outside. I gotta see, got the fucking big fur. Big fur on, guys. Big fur. Anyways, you gotta stay warm when it's cold as shit like this. I probably look so fucking fat right now. Anyways, this coat makes me look way heavier, but I don't see no new coolant underneath the car right now, which we would normally have like a small puddle on this side. It was still leaking. Let's open her up and start her. Just to see what she sounds like. good cold start time. Yeah, this is my other key. It is dead as hell. Yeah, if the camera will focus, yeah, you can see that better. But anyways, let's get a little rev bomb going. That's pretty good. Yeah. Well, that's going to be it for today. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Same video. We're about to go do back to the 370. He wants me to do his exhaust, and he wants me to do his intake manifold. No, he's doing a long tube cold air intake, so we gotta install that tomorrow. So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, and we'll get that knocked out, and that'll be the end of the vlog then. I did do the traverse as well. Got the whatchamacallit, the tire rotation done on that guy. So we put the backs on the fronts on the backing. Now to use. Anyway though, I'm about to go to sleep. Yeah, today is pretty late. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow.